Get your career kick started today. Welcome to the Career Channel. Negotiating salary during an interview requires careful preparation and strategy. Listen carefully to all of these steps and options to help you navigate the salary negotiation process effectively. This will maximize your opportunity to secure the best pay deal. Let's get started. Research salary ranges. Before the interview, research the average salary range for similar positions in your industry, location, and level of experience. Websites like Glassdoor, PayScale, and LinkedIn Salary Insights can provide valuable information and evidence for your proposal. Know your value. Assess your skills, qualifications, and relevant experience to determine your worth in the job market. Consider your unique strengths and achievements that make you valuable. Set a realistic target. Based on your research and self-assessment, establish a salary range that aligns with your value. Identify your minimum acceptable salary, as well as an ideal salary that reflects your qualifications and market value. Delay salary discussion. If possible, try to postpone the salary discussion until after you've impressed the interviewer with your skills and qualifications. This way, you will have more leverage when negotiating. Particularly in the interview has gone well, you could suggest a discussion should take place about the package at the point of a job offer. Let the employer bring up the topic first. Ideally, let the employer initiate the salary conversation. If asked about your salary expectations, provide a range rather than a specific number, but explain that you feel in the upper salary end due to your experience and skills that meet the job description requirements. You can say, "I'm looking for a competitive salary within the range of X to Y. This is based on my research and experience." This shows confidence and a sense of self-value. You can also say to the employer that you feel that this salary level would be a strong motivating factor and would reflect your drive and commitment to the role. Emphasize your value. During the negotiation, focus on highlighting the value you can bring to the company. Discuss your relevant skills and experience or your commitment to achieve the required training and exceed expectations. Explain why you feel you are a good fit for the role and emphasize your passion. Justify your request. Back up your salary expectations by explaining how your skills, qualifications, and past accomplishments align with the responsibilities of the position. Demonstrate how investing in you will benefit the company. You will be loyal and engaged as well as going that extra mile to support the company's objectives. Be confident but flexible. Maintain a confident and professional demeanor throughout the negotiation process. Be open to discussion and willing to negotiate within your desired pay range. Remember, it's a two-way conversation. Consider the total package and its entire value. Health insurance, pension, bonuses, annual leave entitlement are all things to factor in. You can also suggest that you start on the lower of mid-range of the salary for 6 to 12 months, but then you move to the upper end of the salary range as an incentive. Practice active listening. Pay attention to the employer's response and be prepared to counteroffer or negotiate further. Remain calm, respectful, and willing to find a mutually beneficial solution. Remember, negotiating salary is a normal part of recruitment and employers will generally expect it. Even if it's not normally part of their hiring process, they will respect your determination. Approach the negotiation with professionalism, confidence, and a focus on the value you bring to the table. This is all about being able to justify your points and understanding your value to the business. Go into the interview with a clear mindset of how you will benefit the organization and you will secure that pay deal that you want. For more information on interview tips and specific roles, please see our other videos. Please subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Thanks for watching.